How to check email from different accounts other than Gmail using Gmail. Even though it might seem strange, you can check your mail accounts using Gmail on the web. This first set of instructions is if you want to check your email from a non-Gmail account such as Microsoft Outlook or Yahoo. First, configure your other email provider for Post Office Protocol (POP) access. If it does, you can get your emails through a POP server. 1. Open Gmail on the web. 2. Click the settings gear in the upper right corner. 3. Select See All Settings. 4. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. 5. Select the Import Mail and Contacts link in the Import Mail and Contacts section. 6. Follow the instructions in the dialog box to enter the relevant information for the account you want to add. 7. Click the Start Import button. You will now automatically import emails from your non-Gmail account for the next 30 days, allowing you to check your old emails in one place.